What is up, guys? Welcome back to Living Life with Rick and Jerry. Today I got another project. We're going to be changing the oil on my 2006 Ford Escape Hybrid. And it's this guy back here. And here's the motor. I already got started. I got my filler cap off. I got the engine or the truck raised a little bit. Got my jack stands under there. So I'm about to get started right now. Should be a really easy job. Done this maybe 3 times already. But yeah, let's get started. And just so you guys know, my truck or my hybrid SUV or crossover, what do you want to call it, does take a different filter than the standard, regular filters. It actually takes a canister filter. So I got my oil here, 5W20. I'm using the STB brand since I had a credit of $25, so might as well use that credit, right, to get some free oil, right? So yeah, I got the STP right here. This is the 9641 from AutoZone. You can get this probably on Amazon too. I'll link it in the description in case you guys want to get it. But yeah, it's this type of filter. Check it out. See, that's a canister type. So these are very easy to change. See the actual gaskets, you have to change the gaskets on the oil filter cap or else it'll leak. So yeah, just starting off with that. So let me go under the car and start taking out the oil. Alrighty guys, so we're back under the truck. This is the front of the truck, as you can see. We're going right under. And here's the cross member here for the engine. And there is the oil removing bolt right there. I hope I got the right one this time. I think I did not. No, I did not. I'll be right back with the right one. Alright guys, so I got my wrench now. I got my little 13.
Are you watching Dora?
Oh, there you go. Now I'm gonna move you guys out of the way here. Move you guys out of the way because if not, we get oil all over my phone. Set you guys up right there. I gotta use my towel to prop it up. And my oil canister. Link in the description in case you need one. I'm gonna take off my glove because if not, I'm gonna get my gloves full of oil. It's already pouring. Oh man, this thing's hot. Oh man, this thing is hot. I just finished driving it, so about 18 miles, so the engine is pretty hot. Oil's nice and black, as per usual. I think the last time I used a synthetic blend as well. So I gotta change my oil every 5,000 miles because if not, I'll get a lot of sludge buildup and stuff like that. And sludge buildup equals bad for the engine. And the bolt for my oil pan, I think I should get it replaced soon. It's already kind of getting rounded from, I guess, so many people doing bad oil changes and hitting it and stuff like that. And then the gasket too, the gasket looks kind of junky, but I think it'll do one more. It'll do one more before I need to change it again. Alrighty, so we're down to a trickle here. I'm gonna go ahead and cap this off. Alright. 13 again. Alrighty guys, so here is the oil filter. It's a special canister type. These do kind of wear out over time. You know, they're not that really well made. So you can get these at AutoZone for like $15.99. Also on Amazon. In case you need one, I'll link it in the description. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna get my Allen key. Let's see what size is this. Okay, so this is a 6mm Allen. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna open it up and I am going to drain it first. So first we're gonna open this up, just like that. And this will kind of prevent a lot of mess down here. Oh, dang it. Dude, if I was that, I'd be so pissed.
Where are they playing that at?
That's Siete Mares.
Like on a daily basis.
Dude, it's like a party over there every day. Imagine you're like chilling at home or live streaming and these are like, ¡ay, la culebra! So real quick guys, don't do what I did and drop the oil plug in your oil pan. So now I gotta fish it out somehow. So I'm gonna smack this in there so I can get it. I'm gonna start turning right now. There we go, some more oil coming out. More oil. Alrighty, I'm gonna get my rag now. And there we go. I'm gonna drain this out here into the oil pan or the oil collection bucket. I'll just leave it on there for now. Let me clean my oil filter, oil canister thing here. Oh, it looks really good. It doesn't look like it has a lot of what do you call it, oil buildup and stuff like that. So it looks really clean, really clean. All right, so now let's take the oil canister back up and then we're gonna switch out all the gaskets and stuff. Yeah, so here's the oil filter, the oil canister. It's gonna slip this baby out of here. So this is the Fram one that I used last time, TG9641. It's the same thing as STP. But honestly, if you're gonna get a filter, don't buy a Fram. Don't buy a Fram, ever. Oh my God, are you kidding me? I threw it in and I fucked. So yeah. I mean, I don't know. Fram is okay sometimes, but other times they're pretty terrible. So right now what I'm doing is just dropping all old oil from the canister. Alright guys, so I'm gonna pop you guys up right here. Let's see where I can put you guys up. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna change I already took off the filter. The previous filter I used was a Fram. Don't buy Fram, okay? Try not to buy Fram. So yeah, right now I'm just cleaning it up. I got my new filter here, the STP. Made in China. Alright, filter's in. Now we're just gonna change the gasket on the housing. Basically this part right here. Just gonna take that out. Let me go get my little pick tool. Alrighty. I'm just gonna take this out. Alright, so there's the gasket. Let's get the new one. And slip it on to the filter. Alright, cool. So there we go. So now I'm gonna put this back on. I don't have that aluminum thing back on there. I gotta find it right now on my oil catch can, but I will take it out right now. And so yeah, let me screw this in, then I'll put the other part back in there. All right guys, so I'm back down here. I'm gonna put in the oil filter back on. Now I'm gonna get my wrench, tighten this back down. And we're not gonna tighten it all the way crazy. We're just gonna make sure it seats. Alrighty guys, so I just put in the filter. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the oil to my truck. And again, this is a 5W20. I'm using a high mileage, since I have over 130,000 miles in this truck. Alrighty guys, so I got you guys set up right there. And I think this only takes about 4.5 to 5 quarts. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna start with 4, and then once I start up, or actually I'll start up with 4, yeah. What I like about STP is that, I don't know if you guys can differentiate the smell of the oils, but STP actually smells like Valvoline to me. I don't know if it's made by Valvoline. I don't think it is. But the smell of the oil smells like Valvoline. And since I've been using it, I haven't seen any sludge buildup or any abnormal wear in the engine. So it works well. I would say it's equivalent to the Amazon brand, and as well as the Walmart brand. What is the Walmart brand called? SuperTech. Alrighty, so filled it back up. Gonna put my oil cap back on. And now it's time to find the cap for my oil filter that I dropped in my oil canister. Alrighty guys, so I got it out. Here's a little 6mm. Now what I'm gonna do with this one is I'm also gonna remove that gasket. Alright, so I already got the new gasket. Already put a little bit of oil on it. I think I should have put some afterwards, so it doesn't slip off my fingers. But it's not that hard to put on. It's very easy. There you go. So here's the old one. Here's the new one. Make sure to add a little bit more oil to the edges. Alright, so it's time to screw this back in. And I'm back down here. I'm gonna screw this baby back in. There we go. All set. Oil filters in. Oil plugs in. And we're done. Now it's just time to start the engine. Alrighty, gonna start the motor. Alrighty, so it all started up. Now let's go make sure there's no leaks on the bottom. Alright guys, so engine started. No leaks coming from the filter. No leaks coming from the plug. Yeah. Call that a job well done. You know what I did notice is that since I changed my air compressor, the belt has been a little bit more noisy than usual. Or not my air compressor, but my air conditioning air compressor. But yeah, let's turn it off now. And this truck works excellent. As you can see, it goes into hybrid mode. And there's a hybrid mode. Engine just shut off. So this Ford Escape actually works the way it should. With the whole EV, everything, the AC working. This thing works like a dream. Alrighty guys, so I want to thank you guys for watching. We're done with this oil change. Here's the filter. Again, it's a STP 9641, Fram 9641, and I'll put the equivalents on Amazon in case you guys want to get the Ford product. But yeah, that's a job well done. Catch you guys on the next video. Peace.